Hello, this is John, the appliance technician, and right now we have a beautiful stainless steel Whirlpool refrigerator. This whole thing is a refrigerator. Let's open this up. All right, this is the inside. Whole thing is a refrigerator. All right, it is at about 40 degrees. I had this on for about an hour. So the refrigerator is anywhere between 40 and 36 degrees. But this beautiful piece of machinery is just one big massive refrigerator, Whirlpool style. All right, this is what you will be getting. The sides, let me turn the light on right here. Okay, sides look good, clean. All right, here you have it. This is a good working Whirlpool refrigerator. I'm trying to back up and get it back in focus. All right, it is not letting me do. Let me see. All right, we saw it already, so I'm gonna stop the film now.